Doing a quick video here on a old T-lock shingle roof. Had some hail damage and we're changing it out. This is a discontinued shingle. This is what it looks like, or what it used to look like. They don't make this stuff anymore, and the insurance companies are making you change it out. They don't want to insure your roof if you have this type of shingle on your roof. They discontinued this probably about 10 years ago. And we're putting the new duration oak ridge shingle on this roof. 120-mile-per-hour wind resistance. Thought I'd just show you this old T-lock. It did have some hail damage. The insurance company is also paying for it. But they also, you buy a home, the insurance company, they're just not insuring them anymore. They don't want it. They don't allow it. You've got to change it out. This is a pattern that what it used to look like. The days are gone. Oasis Roofing. El Paso, Texas. Las Cruces, New Mexico. Oasis Roofing.